Ningde, a third-tier town in Fujian province, has taken advantage of the wind of the times. In just a few years, it has gone from being the poor student ranked last in GDP to ranking first in the province in economic growth for 日11J20 for consecutive years. Here was born a world first, the CATL. On the banks of Chijian Lake in Jiaocheng District, Ningde City, stand rows of modern factories, the headquarters of the trillion-dollar battery giant CATL. Stepping into CATL's global lighthouse factory, prepare to be amazed. Robotic arms dance with precision, producing one battery cell every second on average. Globally, 1 out of every 3 electric cars sold is equipped with CATL batteries. What drives this cutting-edge manufacturing? CATL integrates manufacturing digitalization, intelligence, and green capabilities to maintain its stronghold in the lithium battery market. Partnering with Solis Technologies, CATL sparks a light energy revolution in its factories, harnessing luminous potential from rooftops to carports.
The rooftop photovoltaic project of Ningde Town's H3 factory invested by Ningde Shinsili Energy Technology is the only photovoltaic power station among all the photovoltaic projects at Ningde Town's bases that is realized by adopting the BAPV solution.
The factory roof is equipped with 21 Solis350kW EHV model inverters. The carport outside features 7 Solis 60K Pro model inverters. In addition to the shared green ideas of both companies, the use of inverter products from Solis Technologies this time goes beyond just technological performance. Multiple power generation, low cost, and high safety are the key considerations for us when choosing partners. The performance of Solis 350kW inverter in these aspects has exceeded our expectations. It is a very rare and outstanding product. Such a high-power inverter, we chose to install the device on the industrial and commercial roof. The power station is currently operating stably and safely, with an annual power generation of 8.83 million kWh, said the project leader. Above the clear sky, everything is facing the sun. Solis high-power inverters harness the sun's energy, providing crucial green power and assurance for CATL. In the new factory building, sunshine and dreams flourish together. Using the power of technology to promote clean energy to become the world's main energy source, CATL is taking action.
Distributed in Sri Lanka by Gunda Power.